Here it is, the new block. Dart block, 4-inch stroke. Gonna be replacing my stock 302 right here. Replacing this with that. Little 302 served me good all this time. Has about 40 passes on the stock bottom end. There's all stock pistons, stock internals, stock rods. So we're putting this in there. Shooting by the end of the year to get this put together. Got some AFR heads I'll be getting. Still waiting on AFR to get them done. So let's start unboxing this. Alright, let's open this up. Got a dart box, probably some fittings over here, or freeze plugs, papers, sticker, go faster. So let's put this out. See if these straps work. So when I tow my car, they're gonna do the job today. Here we go. This one is the Dart Iron Eagle Sportman. I believe it's rated for 1200 horsepower. So I'll put it on the stand for you guys so we could turn it around and check it out. Alright, so let's see what's inside this box. Oh, we got free plugs. And now the other plugs underneath for it. And we also have some cam bearings to go in there. So that's it. That's all that was in the Dart box. The webbings look way thicker than the stock one. So let's turn it. So I'm shooting for 1,000 horsepower. That's my goal. But don't know if I should put twin turbos or a single turbo. Right now my current motor, that one is on a T56. And this one I plan on putting it on a Turbo 400. So what do you guys think? Twins or single? Let me know in the comments. You guys suggest I should go to twin turbos or a single turbo, just one big one. So here it is, Dart Block, 4-inch stroke, going to 427. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.